Thank you so much for taking my challah course. I hope you've enjoyed baking challah as much as I have. Hello everybody. I hope you baked up this dessert challah. I bet it was really good. You'll have to try this dessert challah. It's really good. Mmm. Mmm. Oh, that's wonderful. It's soft and sweet. Soft, shreddy. Delicious. Mmm. Mmm. Oh my gosh. Oh, Tira, it's superb. Mmm. Oh my gosh. It just shreds. It's just so lovely. Look at that. Mmm. 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 So here's our crumb. If you've enjoyed this course, consider taking some of my other sourdough baking courses on Udemy. We have lots of fun. Okay, Tira.
Yeah?
Wait until you see this beauty.
What?
Come and take a look.
Happy baking, everyone!